Oriri ngwataniro ya Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Alliance iharĩrĩirie gutabania mirurungano ya thayu guothe bururi-ini kwambiriria muthenya wa ruciu. Thirikari nĩ irutite mukana wa gutigirira mirurungano iyo niyatabanio kuringana na gatiba ya bururi.
We are on high alert and we are fully engaged to ensure no Kenyan limits the rights of another Kenyan who is not participating in this activity by way of trying to interfere with their businesses, their activities, or their peace. The meetings, the assemblies can continue peaceful, unarmed, and without jeopardizing public peace and tranquility.
Kuringana na Minister wa ugitiri wa thiini wa bururi Professor Thirikari, thirikari iricemba kwetana na aria makagarara watho ona kana kwagagia thayu wa muingi.
Those who want to test what our resolve is can try to break the law. The same way we have done with the magas of Nairobi. The same way we are ruthlessly pursuing the bandits in the north of our country. The same way we are engaged to ensure that we keep terrorists at bay is the same way we will ruthlessly deal with any Kenyan who wants to use the democratic space of our constitution to interfere with the rights and freedoms of other Kenyans.
Akiaria ri nyumba-ini ya Harambee House guku Nairobi, Kindiki ni athiete na mbere kuria ngwataniro ya Azimio irekererie mibango ya maandamano macio niguo kuhotithia ruhonge rwa borithi kugacirithia ugitiri wa rurungani.
We will remain professional to make sure that those who want to air their grievances are given space so that others who don't agree with them do not interrupt bona fide and lawful activities around demonstrations and the freedoms of association and assembly.
Okaide-ini kau Kindiki niaugite thirikari ni hotete kuhitana na ciiko cia wici na wikinai iria iragomeira mucii wa Nairobi undu umwe na kuhitana na imaramari cia wici wa mahiu rugongo rwa bururi kuria riu eranĩire thirikari ni gukorwo ikigurira borithi matharaita ma kiriu niguo mahote kuhitana na uhaguku wa ugitiri guothe bururi-ini. Miario ya Kindiki yukite oriri ngwataniro ya Azimio ethiete na mbere guthing'iriria gutabania mirurungano ya thayu kuringana na guthuthurio kwa makamishina na IEBC kuria eri ao nio Juliana Chelera na Justice Nyang'aya ni marikitie gutiga wira.
The Ministry of Interior is making all the necessary security arrangements to ensure that these our fellow Kenyans can exercise their right to associate, to demonstrate, to protest, or to make their grievances known to whatever authorities whatsoever.
Macungiriro ma mirurungano eno etanyitwo gugakorwo ari mucemanio wa muingi kiaro-ini kia Jacaranda mwena wa Bekasi East guku Nairobi kuria raira hitite agakorwo agithima hinya no uri na arumiriri aingi gatagati gake na mutongoria wa bururi President William Ruto. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Njoroge wa Kimani.